There are 1.1 billion people suffering without the access of clean water as we speak. And that's where I, Adivalagan Alagi Sivakumar, and my partner Rahul Lungam Ramesh will come into the play. We believe the future of potable water filtration is the solution for better water security and improved efficiency. Well, in the intro, we do have to understand what is CQD. CQD is carbon quantum dot, a type of carbon material at the nanoscale which is added on the polysulfide membrane, and together they form a membrane that can be really useful in water filtration. Look at the problem statement. We can see here there are so many people still suffering without a proper water security, and we can see that Egypt is approaching absolute water crisis because of the population increasement and total renewable water per capita decreasement. This problem, there's already solution, but what we're trying to bring is efficiency towards this solution, and that's our game. The science behind the polysulfide membrane. We can see there's so many advantages as a water filter, but there's three main disadvantages. One, it lacks in antibacterial properties. Number two, it has relatively high fallen properties. That means that debris can stuck on the surface. And number three, it has relatively low water flux. That means there's high water resistance, and that will reduce the performance as a membrane. CQD has many benefits, but the three most important benefits towards PSF membrane is that one, it enhances the antibacterial activity. That is because of CQD is negatively charged by default and repulses the bacteria. Number two, it has anti-fouling properties as it attaches to the PSF membrane, increasing the smoothness of the membrane. And number three, this increased smoothness also helps to increase water flux value. And here's the water flux test that not only prove that adding CQD makes the PSF to perform better, but make it perform better comparing to other types of water filter membranes. Atomic force microscopy explains the increased smoothness after adding CQD towards PSF membrane, and diffusion distance prove that there is higher antibacterial activity after the adding of CQD, which improves this as a water filter. Methodology, there's two parts. The preparation of CQD, which is using the hydrothermal treatment and then filtered with 0.22 micron to get the CQD, and then we also use the normal PSF substrate preparation to get the PSF membrane base, and together they are merged with a sophisticated process, and at the end of the day they can be added to use as potable water filter.
And with that being said, the study of carbon quantum dot products such as filtering straws can be made, and the possibilities are unimaginable. There are quite a few impacts that our study gave by integrating into a product. It does not only give social impact, but also give environmental and economical impact too, that aligns with the UN Social Development Goals. And as for the economical impact, the water purifier market was valued at 393 million, and it's expected to grow 10.24%, and there is a forecasted revenue period where by the year 2027 it will reach 722 million. This will give birth to a new niche market, new exports from Malaysia, and will contribute to the Malaysian GDP. As for the social impact, 4 billion and almost 2/3 of the world's population experience severe water scarcity for at least 1 month each year. Most countries that do not have safe access to clean water are mostly third world countries. And 1 in 3 people globally do not have access to safe drinking water. Well, what our study offers is it provides water security to everyone, prevents waterborne illnesses, and it also will help raise sanitation standards or sanitary standards for water purification. And lastly, for the environmental impact, did you know that 168 million tons of biomass is generated in Malaysia every year? Because our product uses sustainable materials such as waste or the biomass from palm trees, so this will help reduce biomass in Malaysia. And lastly, because our product are made from biomass, it is also biodegradable.
That's all guys. Let's keep on fighting for water security. Thank you.